Traders, we're looking at Bitcoin paired with the US dollar on a 4-hour time frame. What I'm going to do is quickly run out to the monthly and we'll do a top down 1 month time frame. We have this resistance. Okay, if we look back, see this high, this low. So I've basically just picked up the range between these two levels, pulled it across. We're trading right into this level at the moment on the weekly time frame. If we go back, open it up, and we can see this high, this low, this high and low candle bodies. Big level, weekly and monthly. Let's go down to the daily, and what I've done is I've picked up this price swing, low to high, pull a Fibonacci, low to high on the daily. So with just this swing low, swing high, and this coincides. This is also a daily order block. This is a nested 4-hour and daily bullish order block. And then we go down to a 4-hour time frame. And here we have it. I've just picked up the candle bodies, both of these candles here, as one big, this is where they started working their orders. They sent it short, trapped short traders in, and then it rallied. So what we've got here is our resistance on the higher time frame. Now we've got this range. The thing that I'm concerned about here is, they're obviously working their order. They're building this range here to create liquidity above and below. Now, they have spiked it up in here, but is that enough to allow them to pair their orders short? Right, so I'm thinking we do trade south. However, I'm expecting possibly something like this. Something like that. Okay, so possibly even it trades further south here, trapping short traders in, building liquidity. So that's going to set up stop losses above the range. So we can mark that up. Liquidity pool. Actually, I've got that. Let's grab it. Alright, so they set up liquidity above the range in the form of stops. Let's just say possibly they trade it south, build more liquidity, and then they hit those stops, and then possibly we see it then start to head south. So I'm going to be looking for the rotation. I mentioned this in a previous video, but always look, and this is on the lower time frame. Come down to a 15-minute or even a 5-minute chart, and look for this trend north, and then we look for when it shifts gears and we see it trending down. This is a 4-hour time frame. I'd be looking for this chart pattern here on a 15-minute chart. Right, so basically, it trends up, and then at some stage you see it rotate. So you want to catch that rotation if you're in front of your chart. Okay, so up in around here. Now what you could do, if you're not in front of your chart, is you could possibly set up a sell limit up in here somewhere. Spikes up, you get a fill, stop above this range here. And that's my take on Bitcoin. I think it sells off, and I think we get a decent move down into possibly here even further. But that's a start. Okay, guys, I'd love to hear your comments. Don't hold back. Definitely share your thoughts below. And with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.